Every organization is built by its people, its employees. Do your employees feel happy, satisfied, motivated, and valued? Do you have a strong employer-employee bond? What employee benefits do you have in place to help retain your best employees? Perks, bonuses, appreciation awards, paid vacations, and the likes. But the motivation from all these benefits is short-lived. A recent survey conducted by Economic Times revealed that 92% employees look up to employer-facilitated insurance plans. One of the motivating factors for the employees is when the employer takes interest in their well-being. They feel cared for if their employer is thinking about their family's well-being and future security. This strengthens their bond with the organization, leading to loyalty and long-term association. Well, the employer-employee insurance policy is the retention tool you are looking for. The employer buys this insurance policy for one or more employees and pays the premium. Employees are insured and enjoy maturity benefits, or their nominee receive benefits in case of an unfortunate event. So how does it benefit you as an employer? Apart from the tax benefits, you also get the benefits of retention like reduced talent acquisition cost, reduced training cost, and all this drives the growth of an organization. The documentation for this policy is easy, and you also get an opportunity to choose benefits for employees in different bands. Thus, the employer-employee insurance plans are a win-win for both you and your employee. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, become a caring employer and motivate your employees by securing their future.